Hi, this is Ari Kaplan, and I got an email the other day from an editor at the New Jersey Law Journal mentioning to me that she was still looking for content for the complex litigation and e-discovery special section that's going to be published on May 17th, for the summer associate guide that's going to be published on May 31st, and for the corporate law section that's going to be published on June 7th. And so I thought it might be interesting to look through, and what we're looking at here is the 2010 editorial calendar for the New Jersey Law Journal. And as you can see, each week they've designated some type of special report that will attract advertisers and readers. So it probably makes sense to start with something that's coming up. So March 1st, you'll see environmental law. As you move forward to March 22nd, real estate, title insurance, and construction law. And then as you move into the spring, you'll see the issues that she was talking about. May 17th, complex litigation and e-discovery. And then May 31st, you have the summer associate guide. And then as you go into the summer, you see other issues. Family law on June 28th. You start seeing in-house counsel issues on June 12th, July 12th, July 19th. You have environmental law again, and white-collar crime on August 2nd. And all of these are opportunities for you or your team to submit an article. And so the question is, how do you actually find the editorial calendar? I thought I'd just take you quickly through that process. So if you go into the New Jersey Law Journal, I Googled New Jersey Law Journal and found their website here. And then if you just kind of scroll down, usually there might be a place where it might say on the left side column here, editorial calendar. If it does not say that, then the next best, and you want to try to scroll throughout the page and get bits of information that might be on the side or perhaps along the bottom. This is obviously a very full page with lots of great content, but I don't see anything here about editorial calendars. So the next best place for you to look is under an advertising tab. And so I'm trying to scroll slowly to not make anybody dizzy, but if you scroll back up a little bit, you'll see that there's a section for advertising here. I'm going to go to this section on advertising here because it's part of the New Jersey Law Journal's information. And I'll click on advertising, and then I will quickly find that the second tab down is an editorial calendar. And if I click on the link, it will take me to a PDF of the editorial calendar. Now, once you do that, you could actually go back and try to figure out who's the right editor for you to contact. And so I just clicked on Contact Us, and then you find an entire staff directory of individuals. In this case, you're going to want to contact the law editor, Jennifer, and that's her phone number, and there's a way to send an email, although most of the ALM publication email addresses are first initial last name at ALM.com. And so just to go back for a second to the editorial calendar, what an editorial calendar will do is it sets forth in very broad terms the coverage a magazine or newspaper will give to a particular subject. So you'll see here, it just tells you what is it going to be about, and then on the left side it'll say what it's going to be about, and on the right side it'll give you a little bit more detail, and it'll go through it for the entire year. And this goes for many, many publications. So I'm using New Jersey Law Journal as an example, but you could just insert the name of a publication in which you're interested and use that as a guide. They're generally available on the website, and understanding the editor's calendar demonstrates to him or her that you've conducted some background research and are serious about your interests. And I just want to give a word of encouragement that while substance is important, you do not need to be an award-winning writer to get published. Relevancy is often more critical than gifted prose, and in this case, you can make it relevant because, for example, if you're interested in writing for the October 18th issue and are focusing on real estate and title insurance, you can come up with, toward the end of the year, it's October, think about this issue or that issue when it's relevant and there's an issue specifically focusing on it. Now you've really created a great opportunity. So I highly encourage you to use an editorial calendar and go to the website of a particular organization so that you can maximize your potential for raising your profile in the new year. This is Ari Kaplan saying thanks very much. Have a great day.